Welcome to Code Effectively. The topic for today is we have to print this series that is given in the fraction. So this is a quite interesting one, you must know. And in this now we will be taking two parameterized input n and x because we have to know the value of x also. So let's say I want to print n terms. So for the n terms I just put the value of n equals to 4. Let's take it very easy, 4. Okay, and let's say x value the user will input later on, but we have to just print the series. Now I will be 1. When the value of I will be 1, it will come inside the loop and s is initially 0. So s is initially 0 and sign is initially 1. Because I took this sign, because you can see at the positions the value is changing. First it is negative, then positive, negative, positive sign. That's why you have to go for the sign. Okay, so s is equals to sign into s is equals to initially sign into s plus sign into what is the value of sign? 1. 1 into mat.power x raised to the power I. X raised to the power I is 1. Divide by I. What is the value of I? 1. So it will be simply x. Okay, so we got a first term, that is x. Okay, you can see it is x. And again I come inside the loop and I saw that here we got one statement, sign is equals to sign into minus 1. So it will be into minus 1, that gives out to be simply, it will give me out 1. Okay, it will give me out 1. So we got sign value minus 1. Now again the I will be now 3 because it is I plus 2. So I will be 3 now. I will be 3, it will come inside the loop again, it will be s plus sign. Now what is the value of sign? Minus 1. Minus 1 into mat.power x raised to the power I. What is the value of I? 3. 3 and entire divide by 3. So it will be x minus x cube upon 3 and we got a second term. Similarly again now we have to put sign is equal to sign into minus 1 in order to change the sign, because now we want a positive, so it will be minus 1 into minus 1 gives out to be 1 now. So sign is 1 again. Again I value will be now 5. Okay, as soon as the I value will be 5, we will get another, we will just add one more thing. Then again it will be sign is equals, s is equal to s plus and this will be plus sign. What is the value of sign? 1 into mat.power x. What is the value of x? We will input it later. X upon x raised to the power I. What is the value of I? 5 upon an entire upon by 5. So we got x minus x raised to the power 3 plus 1 into x raised to the power 5 upon 5. Pretty obvious. Again in the similar way I will be now, what is the value of I? Now I will be simply, I will be 7. As obvious, as pretty obvious as that. Okay, so now we got I equals to 7. And now we will just print another term, and the another term will be comes out to be simply we got, okay, it will be 7 and then we will add, and we will just add into minus 1 because now sign will be updated, will become minus 1 and it will be minus x raised to the power 7 upon entire into 7. So it will be simply x, now r will be minus x raised to the power 3 plus we are getting x raised to the power 5 and then minus and minus x raised to the power 7 upon 7. So let's update this value, it has to be 8, then only it will work, because when the I value will be now, again it will be 9 and we will get 9 is less than equals to 8. Condition false and we got our 4 terms. Okay, so we have to just go for like this. Again we just got our values and our values we wanted to print. So I hope you understand how this was done. It was a very pretty obvious simple video. If you like this video, kindly go and subscribe to the Code Effectively channel. In the end, just you have to just print these series. So we got this series and you can just print that. That's pretty simple. Thank you for watching.